Here is my week's work on my game. I have my Trello boards here. I have my Git repo as well, where I've updated some stuff, and then right here. And then in my game, I have a couple different changes. I have my movement fixed, kind of. I've changed the way I've decided to do it. I'm just gonna have my character do a forward-facing, like movement style instead of rotation, and it fixes the issues I was having. I can move back and forth now, and then I have just a box collider on the side here, so I can't run into or go any further out of the field. And then I'm still trying to maybe implement pooling, or I've changed to maybe actually just making a couple different prefabs with different locations of the items and enemies to pick up. I have 3 right now, but I could make more, and those are just an array list that I have that they get fed into and randomized. So I could change that route. It might be easier at the moment, and then when I have more time, I could implement pooling. I'm just having some issues getting it to pool in the correct locations and time periods that I'm looking for. This way, too, the enemies, I would be able to potentially just attack them and have them disappear a bit easier. So we'll see. But I have that done. And then if we exit out of play mode here, I have my store items I've started to make. I have 2 scriptables I've made. So I have the store data and then the potion. There's not too much in my game that I'd be buying, potentially, if we load this back up here. If I go to my store, I know I'll have potions for sure. Coins would be something you'd buy probably with like actual real-life currency versus in-game. And then I am still working on my main character. I'm kind of at a standstill on where I want to go with it. I know I'm working that out. But I could at least make different like color schemes and stuff like that for the character, so you could use in-game currency to buy that as well, and those would just be more scriptable objects. Or I could do weapons or something like that. And let's see, it's kind of where I'm at this week, and then I'll just get my movement finalized. But I'm kind of nearing the end of it looks like, which is good. And hopefully I can just get my character finalized, and that's the last big puzzle piece.